Day 6 of our journey. Some people have clean clothing. Some people do not. Some have cologne on. Some do not. What was that over there?
Oh yes. My clothes are so fresh, I don't need cologne.
Tom, how are you feeling about that? I feel like there was a secret code or something that we didn't get.
I think they're sugar coated. I'm not sure.
Oh, I'm sure.
Hey, all you gotta do is go down and smile. Let's see. Lava ropa. I was expecting. It's a feeling that I find. It's a feeling that I find.
Hola! And we are off from Salamina to I forget where we're going. Filandia. There's no N in Filandia. Almost like Finlandia. But we are out of here. Alright folks, day 6 of our journey. It's gonna be fantastic. It's been an absolute beautiful country. People have been fantastic. And if anybody has any thoughts about Colombia, you should really just take notice that it's not anything like what is portrayed on TV. People have been fantastic, everything else. So, and we deal with our first doggy of the day. But anyhow, been fantastic. We've had a few bumps and bruises. Probably saw I almost decided to check out, but for whatever reason, again, the big guy upstairs is still looking out for me, so I appreciate that. And we have another rider that's, I think, either broke his rib or cracked his rib, Charles. And I know he is in a lot of pain, but he is definitely soldiering on. So he seems to be in good spirits. I know he's ginger, but like I said, we've had some bikes go down and stuff like that, but it's all been good. And like I said, we're on day 6. Tomorrow will be our last journey on the way back to Cali, and can't complain. This is a beautiful country, great people. We've had just a fantastic and Ricardo runs a great operation, and Pacho is our great sweep. It's been fantastic. The two of them have just been superb. So, all right, folks, catch up a little bit by for the cattle. Always looking out for those guys. Just never know what you're going to run into. Roads come, roads go. Just beautiful. Wow. What are they doing down there? What are they doing down there?
Looking for concrete building materials.
Oh, got it. House is built right up on the edge here. Horse. Oh yeah, fun stuff. Wow, beautiful. Look at all those houses on the side. Pretty incredible. You gotta pay attention though, you'll end up over the edge with whoever's down below you. Oh, that was pretty close. Right into a town. Don't know what this town is, but pretty busy. Supia. Wow. It has probably dropped 30 degrees on our ride up. Pretty nuts. Pretty cool. There are the boys up there. They got blocked. Normally they'd be about 2 miles in front of me because they, as I've said before, have skills. Skills that I do not possess. Now, once it opens up, they will take off on me because I can't keep up, which is okay. You ride your ride, as they would say. You ride your ride. But look at all those clouds coming in. We are heading up into the mountains. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. Can't say it enough. This country's beautiful.
Or we can have a snack here and then do lunch in about like an hour and a half. Yeah.
Oh, this is nice.
There's pretty cool mountain here, but it's
Right, you can't see it. Fogged in.
yeah.
Oh, isn't this what the girls always do?
Yeah.
You ready? I'll get you.
Perfect. Dude, what happened with the
Konnichiwa!
Konnichiwa, yeah.
Konnichiwa! Here, but in Colombia you do not have to pay tolls if you're on a motorcycle. Just need to slow down a little bit as you're going through it. canopy in a jungle or something. Pretty wild. Cars are just zipping through here. People are just riding all over the place. I mean, it's freaking nuts. You definitely have to have your head on a swivel here in good old Colombia, because if you don't, and then you get a pool like that out in the middle of nowhere, that's crazy. It couldn't get any, I don't know, weirder, bizarre with the trails and the traffic and what we ride. And then we got this like little 2-lane sidewalk thing that we have to ride. So bizarre. That was pretty wild. And now what do we have? I have no idea where we're going now. Okay. We are back on Sidewalk. Okay. I think this is Crazy Loco. Oh. What in the hell have we got ourselves into here? Okay. I'm sitting down for this ride, folks. It's crazy. Nobody will ever believe that.